Student, now we solve remaining question of exercise 4.1. Question number 12. Prove that by PMI A plus AR plus up to AR raised to n minus 1 is equal to AR raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1. We know that in a PMI, principle of mathematical induction, we denote given statement by Pn. Let Pn is equal to A plus AR plus up to plus AR raised to n minus 1 is equal to A R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1. Now we prove for n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1, LHS is equal to A. Here R raised to 1 minus 1, that is R raised to 0, that is A. First term we get A. And RHS is equal to A into R raised to 1 minus 1 upon R minus 1. R minus 1 from both cancel, we get A. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. That is a P1 is true. So, P1 is true. Clear? Now, assume that PK is true. Let PK is equal to replace n by k. A plus AR plus AR square plus up to plus last term A R raised to replace n by k. K minus 1 is equal to A. Here also R raised to k minus 1 upon R minus 1. Clear? Take this result number 1. Now using this result, this is a true. Clear? Take this result number 1. Suppose Pk is a true. Now using this result, we prove Pn is true for n is equal to k plus 1. For n is equal to k plus 1, LHS is equal to A plus AR plus up to, we write up to this terms plus AR raised to k minus 1 plus now n is equal to k plus 1. So last term becomes A R raised to k minus 1, k plus 1 minus 1. Clear? So is equal to, we know that A plus AR plus up to AR raised to k plus 1 minus 1, replace n by k plus 1 and write last second terms AR raised to 1 less, that is k raised to R raised to k minus 1. Now we know sum up to first two A R raised to k minus 1 is this. So A R raised to k minus 1 upon R minus 1 plus A R raised to plus 1 minus 1 cancel, so R raised to k. Clear? Now A upon R minus 1, take LCM. So we get here A, this is equal to A upon R minus 1 into bracket R raised to k minus 1, R minus 1 take LCM. So plus R raised to k into R minus 1. Clear? So is equal to A upon R minus 1 into here R raised to k minus 1, R raised to k minus 1 plus R raised to k take inside. So R raised to k plus 1, R raised to k into R, that is R raised to k plus 1 minus R raised to k. Clear? So is equal to A upon R minus 1 into R raised to k cancel, so R raised to k plus 1 minus 1. Clear? And this is a left hand side, replace n by k plus 1. So A into R raised to k plus 1 minus 1 upon R minus 1. So is equal to, this is a right hand side. Clear? So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, Pk plus 1 is a true. So Pn is true for all n belongs to n by principle of mathematical induction, PMI. Clear this? Now question number next 13. Prove that 1 plus 3 upon 1 into 1 plus 5 upon 4 into 1 plus 7 upon 9 into last term 1 plus 2n plus 1 upon 9 n square is equal to n plus 1 raised to 2. Suppose this is equal to Pn. Let Pn is equal to this. Here first we prove for n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1, left hand side LHS is equal to first term. Taking n is equal to 1, 2 plus 1, 3 upon 1. That is first term. 1 plus 3 upon 1 is equal to 4. And right hand side RHS is equal to 1 plus 1 raised to 2. That is also 4. So LHS is equal to RHS. That is a Pn is true for n is equal to 1. That means in short P1 is true. Clear? Now assume that Pk is true. Let Pk is equal to replace n by k in both 1 plus 3 upon 1, 1 plus 5 upon 4, 2, 1 plus 2k plus 1 upon a k square is equal to k plus 1 square is true. Take this result number 1. Now using this result we prove Pn is true for n is equal to k plus 1. For n is equal to k plus 1, LHS is equal to 1 plus 3 upon 1, second term 1 plus 5 upon 4, 2, here last second term become this term 1 plus 2k plus 1 upon k square into last term become 1 plus replace n by k plus 1, 2 into k plus 1 plus 1 upon k plus 1 square. Clear? Is equal to, we want to show that k plus 1 square. Now simplify this. This is equal to, by result 1, 2k plus 1 k square terms, that is a first bracket to last bracket is equal to k plus 1 square. So by result 1 k plus 1 square into 1 plus 2 take inside, so become 2k plus 2 plus 1, that is 3 upon k plus 1 square. Clear? So is equal to, now simplify this, k plus 1 square, take LCM, so k plus 1 square into here k plus 1 square, that is k square plus 2k plus 1 plus 2k plus 3 upon k plus 1 square. From both cancel, here we get k square 2k plus 2k become 4k plus 3 plus 1 become 4. So is equal to k plus 2 square. Clear this? So is equal to k plus 1 raised to 2. So is a RHS. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side is true for n is equal to k plus 1. That is a pk plus 1 is a true. Clear? So by principle of mathematical induction, Pn is true for all n belongs to n by Pmi. In short we write this, bro. This is a Pn. Remember this. Okay. Similarly, question number 14, same question. 1 plus 1 upon 1 into 1 plus 1 upon 2 up to 1 plus 1 upon n is equal to prove that n plus 1. Using same method, we solve this question number 14. Same question number 15. 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus up to 2n minus 1 square is equal to prove that n 2n minus 1 to n plus 1 upon 3. Same question. You know that how to solve this question. Just try to solve this question yourself. Question number 16 also for yourself. 17 for yourself. Now question number 18. Prove that by principle of mathematical induction 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to plus n less than 1 upon 8 to n plus 1 raised to 2. Prove by PMI for all n belongs to n. First, assume that given statement is a Pn. Let Pn is equal to 1 plus 2 plus up to n less than 1 upon 8 to n plus 1 raised to 2. Now we prove Pn is true for n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1. 1 plus 2, n is equal to take 1. So this become 1. Clear? LHS is equal to 1. And RHS is equal to, replace n by 1. So 2 plus 1, 3 square 9 upon 8. And RHS greater than LHS. That is a P1 is 3. Clear? Because LHS less than RHS. Clear this? Now, suppose this PK is true. Let PK is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to plus K less than 1 upon 8 to K plus 1 raised to 2 is true. Take result number 1. Using this result, we prove Pn is true for n is equal to K plus 1. For n is equal to K plus 1, LHS is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to last term is equal to K plus 1. Its previous term is a K. Now we know that sum up to 1 to K less than 1 upon 8 into 2K plus 1 raised to 2. 1 upon 8 2K plus 1 raised to 2 plus last term becomes a K plus 1. Clear? Now simplify this. 8 take LCM. So and split this 2K plus 1 square, that is 4K square plus 4K plus 1 plus 8 take inside. So 8K plus 8 into 1, that is 8 upon 8. Clear this? Now simplify this. So here we get 4K square plus 8K plus 4K becomes 8 4 12K plus 8 plus 1 become 9 upon 8. Okay, and here 4K square plus 12K plus 9. Here last terms we want to get 1 upon 8 into 2 into K plus 1 plus 1 raised to 2. That is to get 1 upon 8 into 2K plus 2 plus 1, that is 3 square. That is to get a 4K square plus 3 to 6 to 12 K plus a 9. So we get this 4K square plus 12K plus 9. So this become 2K plus 3 raised to 2 upon 8. So is equal to 2 into K plus 1 raised to 2 upon 8. Clear? So this is true for n is equal to k plus 1. So this is the right hand side. So LHS less than RHS, that is Pn is true for n is equal to k plus 1. That means Pk plus 1 is true. Clear? So Pn is true by PMI, principle of mathematical induction, PMI. Clear this? Now question number 19. Prove that n into n plus 1 into n plus 5 is multiple of 3. First, suppose given statement by Pn. Let Pn is equal to n plus 1, n plus 5 is multiple of 3. Now we prove for n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1, n into n plus 1 into n plus 5 is equal to 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 5 is equal to, here becomes 6 into 2, 2 into 6 is equal to 12, is multiple of 3. Now that is a P1 is true, therefore P1 is true. Clear? Now suppose this Pk is true. Pk is equal to k plus 1, k plus 5 is multiple of 3 is a true. Suppose this is multiple of 3, so this is a 3m. Let k plus 1, k plus 5 is a multiple of 3, so 3m. m belongs to n. Therefore k into k square plus 5k plus k, that is 6k plus 5 is equal to 3m. Therefore k take inside, k raised to 3 plus 6k square plus 5k is equal to 3m. Clear this? Therefore k raised to 3 is equal to 3m minus 6k square minus 5k. Clear this? Take this result number 1. Using this result, we prove Pn is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Okay. Now for n is equal to k plus 1. K plus 1, replace n by k. K plus 1 plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 5 is equal to k plus 1 into, simplify this, this becomes k plus 2 into k plus 6. Now simplify this, split this, so k plus 1 into, here this becomes k plus 2 into k plus 6 become k square plus 2k plus 6k becomes 8k plus 12. So is equal to, now k take inside, so k raised to 3 plus 8k plus k square plus 12k plus multiply by 1, so k square plus 8k plus 12. Clear this? So is equal to, now k raised to 3 is equal to, we know that this result by 1. In place of k raised to 3, write this 3m minus 6k square minus 5k plus, now remaining terms write this 8k square plus 8 square become 9k square. 12k plus 8k becomes a 20k. Clear this? Plus a 12. So is equal to 3m. Here 6k square plus 9k square. This is minus, this is plus, so become 3k square. 20k minus 5k becomes a plus 15k plus a 12. So is equal to, now 3 take common from all. So here we get a 3 into m plus k square plus 3 take common, so 3k plus 3 take common, so 4, and is a multiple of a 3. Clear? Therefore pk plus 1 is a 3, is 3. Okay, so pn is true for all n belongs to n by PMI. Is it clear? Applying same, we solve question number 20. 10 raised to 2n minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11. Similarly, question number 21, 22, 23 and 24. Just try to solve the remaining question yourself. Okay.